Hi, I'm Harry. I'm going to show you how to install deck lights. Deck lights are a great way to set the mood in your backyard, and it also helps you to see where you're going at night. It might seem like a big project, but it's very easy to do it yourself. So the first thing you need to do is draw a plan of your deck and work out where you want to put the lights. The next thing I have to do is measure and mark where the lights will go. There's heaps of deck lights to choose from. You can choose something like warm white, but I'm going with the colorful ones because I want to set up the entertaining area. Now I have to remove the boards. This is a modular decking, so I have to remove the whole panel so I can reach in and store the deck lights. Then drill the holes in the marks that you made on the board. So I'm using a spade bit, which is a couple of mil wider than my light, so it clips in nicely. Now it's time to install the lights, join them all together, and hook it up to the power. Now that's how you install your deck lights. It's a great way to brighten up the outdoor area and also makes it safer at night.